Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word impersonates. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. He often impersonates his favorite celebrities at parties to entertain his friends. Impersonates means portraying or mimicking someone else in order to imitate their appearance, behavior, or mannerisms, often for entertainment or deceitful purposes. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.